This is one of the lakes which is near Hoskote. It is actually Hoskote, it's just besides Hoskote main road. And we saw a sign which said birds, and we noticed a lake, and we just took a right deviation and came inside and saw this amazing lake over here and a lot of birds. And there looks like a little bit of steps which you can go down, and I am going down to take a look further. Seems like a small temple. This is Anjenaya, or Lord Hanuman. We have the Tulsi tree over here. It's a Lord Hanuman temple, and as you can see, the lake, and it seems to be frequented by migratory birds as well. So someone like birding can come here, can get some good shots. I can see birds sitting on small bamboo sticks which are just perching out of the lake. I can see pelican. Wow, I can see pelican. No, sorry, it's not pelican, it's kind of a painted stork. It's looking like a painted stork. There is another bird, looks like a neerkai. In Kannada it's called neerkai. I'm not very sure what it's called in English or any other language for that matter. I can see a small boat over there. Let me pan my camera a little bit so you can see. On the other side I can see some cows and buffaloes over there. So this looks like a pretty big lake. Pretty big lake. This is a neem tree. Let's see if we can go further down. Yeah, I think we can, but I don't see much reason to go down. Okay. So at the other side also we have another temple. Let's see, what temple is that? Seems to be some Devi temple. As you can see there, it looks very much like a painted stork. I see some high-rise apartments have also come up besides this lake. So in Bangalore you have tons and tons of apartments coming up near the lakes, calling them lake view and all that, but if we are not going to save the lakes, very soon we might not have any lake view left. These are the near kais which I was talking about, and I can see a lone painted stork sitting there. On the other side you can see there are a lot of birds, you know, sitting around the hay. There is a small boat, you know, people are rowing there. It's an amazing sight, amazing sight. And I honestly and firmly believe such water bodies must be preserved. This is for our well-being, this is for the humanity's well-being, that we must preserve such water bodies. The climate in Bangalore, which we love and cherish so much, that can be preserved only when we preserve the water bodies. So I almost walked through the length of this lake. There is, looks like an eagle just flying around, gliding around to be precise. Amazing bird. Some shops, small shops over here. I think people who like birding, guys, just come with camera. Those are, I think, birding enthusiasts. Okay, so here we see some coracles. So these are kind of a boat which are typically seen mostly in South India, in the Kaveri river and all. I have seen it before, the coracles. I think they might be using it for fishing. I'm walking back now. Here's a boat. Lots and lots of birds. Amazing, just amazing. So as you can see, I'm walking right beside the lake. Looks like an amazing water body, and there seems to be some grasslands on the other side of the lake. It seems to be grasslands, and as you can see, this lone painted stork is sitting there. It's an amazing place. Temple. Seems like a wildflower. So I'm back at the temple again. This is a small Hanuman temple. It's an amazing water body. Did you see that there is a pelican? There is a pelican. There is a pelican. There is a pelican. So good. If you have time, come over and enjoy it. I see some foreigners as well who have come here for bird watching and birding. This is an amazing place, just amazing. Now we have come to the other side of the lake, and as you can see, we are at the shore of the lake. So I can see here full of water hazel. And in the backdrop I can see brigade signature wall. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's just beautiful. Tons and tons of birds. I can see the pelican. We wanted to see the ecosystem of the lake up close, so we are heading to the other side of the lake bed. This is an amazing adventure. Feels like riding through the savanna grasslands of Africa. We are now riding parallelly to the lake shoreline. We are now at the bank of the lake. In rainy season or during monsoon, this particular stretch of grassland mostly would be filled with water. But as we pan around, it is sad to see various bottles, plastics and garbage are littered around. The tire marks, clearly says that people would have come here with car, and maybe they have done some picnic and littered around. Just comes into mind that we the people, it is our diversity, it is our nature, we have to preserve it. With over 220 species of birds, both native and migratory, this place is an ecological paradise.